What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're seeing if my early to mid 80s Simplicity lawn tractor will start. I got the jump pack hooked up to it. Let's see what she'll do. Alright, so I got the parking brake on. Let's see here. Oh, she tried. Alright, not enough juice. She wanted to. Oh. Choke. Oh. Alright, unchoke. No choke. There is gas in it. Oh, there we go. Oh, almost had it. Let's see. Alright, I don't want to flood it. This choke sucks. This handle. Let's see. Let's see here. Yeah. Well, it started. Alright, let's try that again. Choke's on. Alright, no choke. Idle for a second. Oh, almost. Let's try that again. No. Uh-oh. It's freaking out. Alright. Uh-oh. Well, this is a weird jump pack. Hang on. Give me a second. I'll see if I can figure it out. Alright, guys, so what I did was I disconnected that from the actual jump pack. Alright, now let's see if she'll start. Alright, let's try choke. Oh, no. Oh, so close. Alright, I'm just gonna run on choke this time. Give me a second. Alright, let's try that again. Oh, dang it, Bobby. Alright, let's try that again. It's idling. Alright, so what I'm going to do is, I'll be right back. I'm just going to put my jump pack back in there, and I'll be right back. Guys, one thing is, I got this thing has sat for about 6 months or so now. Let's see if it'll move. Oh, one. Oh, there we go. Alright, I'm going to drive it up to the garage and air up these tires, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a second. back. Alright guys, I'm back. I just returned the oil drive thing, and I'll tell you about this. I'll tell you a little bit about this. This is like mid-1980s simplicity riding mower. You can either get a plow or a snowblower for the front if you wanted to, but this one doesn't have it. You can see. Hello. And there's 3 gears. Up and to the left is reverse. Up and to the right is first. Down and to the right is second. Down and to the left is third. And right now I'm in third. I'm at low idle, so you guys can hear me. But I got this tractor from my dad's buddy for $50, and we brought it home like a week later. I put this ski in it because it didn't have one, and a battery, and it fired right up. Yeah, trust me. No. But I mean, it's got a decent turn radius. I just need a belt for the motor deck, and it's solid. I mean, the seat is rough, like rough. It's like, and my butt's getting soaked because of it. And grip already. And this lever here would be deck engagement. That's either for the deck engagement or for the blower, snow blower engagement. Same with that one, I forget. And then this would be if you have a different deck. It came with 2 different kinds of decks too. Which is kind of cool. I got a nice deck. And so I guess I'll end it here. This was a success. I'm hoping to make another video on my Murray over there. That's either a Murray or a Craftsman. I'm not for sure. I'm still trying to do some research on it. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys have a good day. And peace. Sorry, this ain't the end of the video. I had to show you this. I've tried backing it up here. I'm burned out a little bit. This tire's kind of warm. But I had it up here, and then I pulled out my phone and it rolled forward, so I jacked the wheel. But anyways, yeah, this took me quite a few shots. Well, yeah, I guess this is the end of the video. Alright, peace. Bye.